House sparrows are small, adaptable birds found across the globe. Here are some fun facts about them.
House sparrows are not native to North America. They were introduced in 1850s when a group was released in Brooklyn, New York to control pests, and they quickly spread across the continent. House sparrows are highly social and often nest in colonies. They thrive in urban environments, making their homes in buildings, streetlights, and even fast food signs. They are opportunistic eaters. They primarily feed on seeds and grains, but will also snack on insects, crumbs, and whatever scraps they can find in human-populated areas. Their familiar chirp isn't just noise. They use it to communicate with each other, whether it's to signal danger or attract a mate. Males chirp more during breeding season to defend their territory. Male house sparrows have a distinctive black bib, gray crown, and chestnut brown markings, while females are more subdued in brown and beige tones. The size of a male's bib can signal his dominance over other sparrows. House sparrows often clean themselves by rolling around in dust or dirt. This helps them get rid of parasites and keep their feathers in good shape. House sparrows are global travelers. They're originally from Europe, North Africa, and parts of Asia. They have hitched rides with humans to every continent except Antarctica.
House sparrows are pretty cool for a bird you might see hopping around your backyard or stealing fries at a picnic. Anything else you'd like to know about them? Leave me a comment.